Hi guys, today I created a Python project with OpenCV, and as you see it detects my hand. When I face my hand it completely detects and said yeah it's first, for example, left hand, or opposite of it detect my right hand, and when I face it it completely detects. And I want control my PowerPoint with just face my right hand or left hand. For example, when I face my right hand it go down, and when I face my left hand it go up. And it's easy project. I created it with Python and MediaPipe and PyAuto GUI, and it takes less than 1 hour, and almost the price of this project near $100. If you like it, you can put comment. I teach completely this type of the project, and other hands I put all codes in my GitHub, and you can see my GitHub link of this project in description. Thank you.